Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another exciting video on IT and Automation Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are gonna talk about what is VFD, what are the hardware components inside the VFD, and where exactly we use them. Before we start today's video, I request you, if you like our videos and if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, consider subscribing this channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. If you will hit the bell icon, you will be notified whenever there will be any informative video from IT and Automation Academy. So what is actually VFD? VFD, or variable frequency drive, is a motor controller that is used to run a motor at variable speed by varying its frequency. Now let's get into the hardware of VFD. What is inside the VFD? First of all, when AC signal is injected into the VFD, it has to pass through the diodes. What is the purpose of diode? Diodes are there just to convert the AC signal coming in to DC. The DC signal that we are getting from the output of diodes is not very clean, so that's why we need to have a capacitor here. The purpose of the capacitor here is to clean the DC. The output that will come from the capacitor will be very nice and clean. Then the signal that is coming from the capacitor is passed through the transistors. There are 6 transistors or IGBTs that are there. When this signal is passed through these transistors, it is converted back to AC. We have to understand that transistor or IGBTs here are acting as a switches. By using these switches, we are actually controlling the frequency of motor, which at the end control the speed of motor. As you know the basics of physics, the frequency is directly proportional to speed. If frequency goes high, speed will go high. If frequency go down, speed will go down. In other words, we can say that by switching these switches or IGBTs, we create any frequency we like, and that frequency will vary the speed accordingly. In short, we can say that we have 3 elements in that. First of all is rectifier, and then DC bus system, and then inverter. In rectification process, we have 6 diodes, and role of these diodes is just to convert AC signal to DC signal. As this DC signal is not very nice and clean, it's a bit choppy signal, that's why we are using capacitor. So in DC bus, we are using a capacitor to clean that DC signal. So now at the output we have a more clean and nice signal. And now this signal is passed through the inverter, where we have IGBTs or transistor, and the role of these IGBTs and transistor is to convert that signal back to AC. And now this AC signal is ready for your motor to use. Now let's talk about some industrial applications where we are actually using VFDs. Let's go to the packing industry and try to find whether we are using any VFDs there. Yes, in conveyor systems we are using VFDs. And what is the benefit of using VFDs? By using VFDs, conveyor speed can be changed to the most suitable value according to the workpiece. VFD is also allowing us for the soft start and stop, and that prevents the products from falling down. VFDs or variable frequency drives help us to control the speed of motor. In conveyor system, by controlling the speed of motor, we achieve soft start and soft stop. It helps us to prevent the objects from falling down and wobbling. Shocks to the machines are observed, and acceleration and deceleration is free of the shocks. If we talk about oil and gas industry, where we have to control fans and pumps, and that is achieved by using VFDs also. There are too many other applications where we are using VFDs. We will talk about in detail in separate section on VFDs application in industries. To get more updated about my life, you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram information is into the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video. Till next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.